In this video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 10. There are 6 basic steps. First of all, check that Windows is up to date. Then enable Windows Subsystem for Linux. This will involve a reboot. After the reboot, check again for any new Windows updates. Then install Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. And the final step is to update Kali Linux with the latest packages. Let's get started. First, we check that Windows is up to date. And we're up to date. Next, we enable Windows Subsystem for Linux. And now we reboot. Once rebooted, let's check for updates a second time. That's good, no more updates needed at this stage. Now let's install Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. The first time it runs, there's a certain amount of setup. Choose a suitable username and set a password for that user. And we have successfully installed Kali Linux. To exit Kali Linux, type the command exit and press return. The final step is to update Kali with the latest packages. First, update the package list by typing sudo apt update. Enter the password you set up earlier. Next, run sudo apt upgrade to upgrade any necessary packages. This could take some time. And that's the upgrade completed. Kali Linux is now ready to use.